Hi everyone, I have gotten so many requests on my daily skincare, so I've gone ahead and I'm going to give you guys a basic rundown of what I do for summer and winter, but this video is going to be strictly my winter skincare. Down to the bare bone, really easy to find the products. Hope you guys enjoy. First things first, guys, skincare is even more important than your makeup. It is the foundation to your foundation. And the first thing we're going to start off with is a great cleanser. This guy over here, I have been using this for, it's got to be 15, maybe 16 years now. This is a gentle milk cleanser, great for sensitive skin, pretty much all skin types. If you're an oily skin type, you might want to try something foaming rather than cream. The milk cleanser has to be wiped off with pure cotton swabs or Swispers. I use this guy all the time. You don't just leave the cream cleanser with water, you have to take it off with cotton. Next step is my Guinot alcohol-free toner. You have to make sure that it's alcohol-free so that it doesn't remove your excess oils. You want some of your oils to remain on your face. So this guy helps to not only keep you hydrated, but also removes that excess dirt that was left over from your makeup and not being able to remove it with the cream cleanser. This guy right over here, this is my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I use this every single day during the day. This is my separate day cream. This tub is massive. They had a great deal, so I went ahead and bought the big one. What I do is I transfer, when I'm traveling, I transfer it to a smaller container so that I'm not carrying all this weight and lugging this around. What I do with my face cream, you guys are gonna laugh, but I get it nice and warm and I actually tap the cream all over my face. You need to stimulate the collagen in the face and you need to really tap it all over the face. You want to dance around the face. A lot of slapping motion, a lot of stimulation. This is probably one of the biggest reasons why I have no wrinkles at 42. It's nice to slide the product around, but you get more results when you're tapping and just dancing around the face. And you have to make sure, do not forget your neck. This is a part of the face. You always want to go in an up motion. I've been doing this for 15 years. I kid you not. This is my daily routine. And yes, it does take time, but it pays. Next up, I like to put my eye cream on after my moisturizer. This guy, the reason why the bottle is so small because you actually need very little. And a good way to gauge this product is with your ring finger. You want to make sure that you're literally just tapping and putting it right in. You want to make sure that your eye cream is in the orbital area. You don't need to put the eye cream on the lid. You want to make sure that it's the orbital area. And again, tap, dance. I am constantly dancing. I'm actually really good at dancing also. Real dancing. My skincare takes me just as long as my makeup because I'm constantly stimulating my skin. This guy over here is called Tiamine, great for dark circles, dryness, any fine lines and wrinkles. It is not a miracle cure for somebody who has or suffering from dark circles, but it is a great product, a very simple, clean, water-based product that's great for sensitive skin also. I've been using this guy for about 3-4 years now. You can get this at your dermatologist's office or you can order it online. This right here is my night cream. I switched this. I have a separate day cream and I have a separate night cream. The reason why I have a night cream is because I suffer from dry skin and I need something a little bit thicker, a little bit more emollient, something that's a little bit more hydrating. Everybody's body rejuvenates, restores, and replenishes while you're asleep. And this is one of the best creams that has worked for me. Anything that says night cream will work, you have to give it a chance, at least 4 weeks, to see if it's going to work for you. This is the one that works really well for me. I'm going to show you guys the amount that I use at night. You'll notice from the texture that's really thick. You want to just heat it up in your fingers and really get a really thin amount. You do not want to go overboard with a night cream, otherwise it will clog your pores and you might end up having a breakout. And I tend to tap the product into the areas that I find very dry, and that is usually my lips, my laugh lines, a little bit of the forehead. Mainly the T-zone tends to get dry, and sometimes the cheeks from overusage of cleansers. Tapping is my thing. Sometimes when I have a special night out, I add this R&R serum, which is a lifting serum. It has some peptides and hyaluronic acid, which basically just rejuvenates and gives you a really fresh look, and might just kind of diminish some of the fine lines that you might have on the neck or laugh lines. I do this before my moisturizer, and I give it about 1 to 2 minutes to absorb, and then I go ahead and do my moisturizer. On the weekends when I have a little bit more time, especially winters, which is my low season, I put on the Guinot hydrating mask, which I leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. I want a little extra hydration. I have a few other face masks that are easily available at all drugstores that I use for extra hydration. Guys, if you are not using any skincare at all, and I do have clients that come to me and do not have any skincare routine, at the very basic, you have to have some kind of a gentle cleanser, some kind of a daily moisturizer, and some kind of an eye cream at the very least. Even if you don't have a night cream, the body responds very well to hydration and routine. And once you get into routine, most likely your breakouts will calm down and any dryness that you're experiencing is going to start to subside. But you need to give it a good 6 to 8 week window and be patient to see the results. A few of the extra things that I do is I'm constantly hydrating my body with bottled water and green tea. I have a humidifier in every room in my apartment. I also hit the gym at least 3 to 4 times a week just because I love that feeling of breaking a sweat and getting out all those toxins. I'm also an extremely healthy eater, which they say you are what you eat. So if you're dealing with any kind of severe breakouts, it may be what you're eating. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think. Would love to hear your comments and send me any extra ideas that you would love to see on my next video.